Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 important Java interview questions. What is the difference between process and thread? Process is a program in execution, whereas thread is a separate path of execution in a program. For example, Word document, XLS. So if you launch those application, it's a process, it is a different process. You can see those processes in the task manager. So I can give you an example for thread, process and thread. So Java application, if you launch a Java application, so java.exe in the task manager itself is a process. Okay, so within java.exe I can launch multiple threads. So within a process I can have multiple threads. So process is a program in execution, whereas thread is a separate path of execution within a program. Explain thread states. There are few thread states: runnable or ready. So the moment you create a thread and start it, it becomes runnable state. And if the JVM thread scheduler decide that this thread will be made to run, so then it will go to running state. It's up to the JVM thread scheduler. There is no guarantee for that. So it goes to the running state. Then if it waits for the lock, it goes to the waiting state, or notification, it goes to the waiting state. Blocked IO, it's like whenever it reads the file or socket, it goes to the blocked. And sleeping, you can give some time, some 5 seconds, it will go to sleep. And once the run method is completed, it goes to the dead state. What is a deadlock? When two threads are waiting each other and can't proceed, the program is said to be deadlocked. Say for example, thread 1 is waiting for something to be released by thread 2, and thread 2 is waiting for thread 1. So in this case, deadlock will happen. So there is one solution where we can solve this problem, is like changing the order of accessing the shared variable. What is the difference between serialization and deserialization? Serialization is the process of writing the state of an object to a byte stream. It can be, we can write this byte stream to a flat file database, or in a socket, or you can also send through a wire. Deserialization is the process of restoring these objects from stream of bytes. So it's the other way. So deserialization is writing state to a byte stream. Deserialization is from the stream of bytes, it will convert into objects. Difference between Java 1.4 and Java 5. In Java 5, generics, autoboxing, enum and static imports have been introduced. Generics is very important concept, where it'll help you to do the safe typing in your Java application. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.